West Jordan, Utah, is known for its scenic mountain views, family-friendly neighborhoods, and a growing suburban feel. But like any community, local homeowners face unique weather patterns and environmental conditions that can affect their properties. One question many residents are asking is, are impact-resistant windows really necessary for West Jordan homes? The short answer: it depends on your home's location, your priorities, and your long-term goals. Let's explore what impact-resistant windows are, their benefits, and whether they're a worthwhile investment for West Jordan homeowners. What are impact-resistant windows? Impact-resistant windows are specially engineered to withstand strong forces, such as high winds, flying debris, and sudden impacts. They use laminated glass, two panes bonded with a durable interlayer, that prevents shattering into dangerous shards. Even if cracked, the glass remains intact, maintaining the barrier between your home and the elements. Originally popular in hurricane-prone areas, these windows are now being adopted in many regions for their security, durability, and energy-saving advantages. Weather factors in West Jordan. While West Jordan isn't known for hurricanes, it still experiences harsh weather conditions that can test standard windows. Strong winds and dust storms in certain seasons, heavy winter snow and ice buildup, sudden hailstorms during spring and summer, occasional wind-driven debris in open or high-traffic areas. These conditions can cause traditional windows to crack, leak, or lose efficiency, especially as they age. Impact-resistant windows can offer added peace of mind against this kind of unpredictable weather. Key benefits for West Jordan homes: increased safety and security. The impact-resistant windows aren't just for weather protection, they also enhance home security. Their durable laminated glass is far harder to break than standard panes, deterring intruders and reducing the risk of injury from broken glass. Energy efficiency. The same multi-layered design that blocks impacts also provides excellent insulation. This means your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, helping to lower heating and cooling costs in West Jordan's varying climate. Noise reduction. If your home is near a busy road, school, or commercial area, impact-resistant windows can muffle outside noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. UV protection. Many impact-resistant windows include coatings that filter harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. Are they worth the investment? The decision to install impact-resistant windows comes down to cost versus long-term value. These windows are more expensive upfront than standard models, but they can save money over time through lower energy bills, reduced maintenance costs from weather damage, potential home insurance discount, added resale value due to enhanced safety and durability. For West Jordan homeowners who value security, long-term energy savings, and protection from harsh weather, the investment is often worth it. When you might not need them. If you live in an area with minimal exposure to high winds, debris, or busy traffic, and you already have newer double-paned windows in excellent condition, you might not see an immediate need to upgrade. In that case, regular maintenance and weatherproofing could be a more budget-friendly approach, at least for now. Professional installation makes the difference. To get the full benefits, it's essential to hire a local professional who understands both West Jordan's climate and building codes. Proper installation ensures your impact-resistant windows perform as intended, providing maximum safety, insulation, and durability. Final thoughts. While West Jordan may not face tropical storms, impact-resistant windows can still be a smart choice for homeowners looking for better security, energy efficiency, and weather protection. They're a long-term investment that pays off in comfort, peace of mind, and potentially higher property value. If you're considering new windows, talk to a local window expert to determine if impact-resistant models are the right fit for your home and lifestyle. With the right choice, you can enjoy a safer, more efficient, and more comfortable home year-round.